If you like to cook but hate the work, kitchen robots can help you. There's a few on the market, but I really like Thermomix. I'm Erin from TechGadgetsCanada.com, and I've recently been playing around with a new accessory for Thermomix, the cutter attachment. The Thermomix Cutter is a slicing and grating attachment that fits onto your Thermomix and makes faster work of tedious kitchen chores, shooting slices or gratings into a bowl ready for you to cook with. If you're wondering how it works and if it's worth it, you can watch my full review. But in this video, I'll make a couple quick dishes for supper to show you what it's actually like to use. Thermomix is now making new recipes for its TM6 robot, and some of them use the slicer or grater to speed things up or make it look prettier. Today, I'm going to be making potato gratin. The steps are easy and the Thermomix TM6 walks you through it. Start by assembling the cutter. The catch bowl goes into the stainless steel mixing bowl, then you'll choose which side of the blade goes up to do the work. One side is for cutting, the other for grating. Then you'll add the lid with its two-sided feeder chute. If you have small potatoes, they can go in whole, or you can trim your potatoes so they'll fit better. When you're ready, turn the machine on and then start feeding in your potatoes. The Thermomix TM6 cutter attachment creates perfectly uniform slices that you can then lay nicely in a baking dish. A creamy sauce gets made inside the bowl next and then poured over your sliced potatoes. Finally, you can grate some cheese to sprinkle over the top. Bake it according to the Thermomix recipe's instructions, and then voila, potato gratin. Next up, I made a salad to go along with the meal, Thermomix's cucumber salad. This salad uses thinly sliced cucumber, which is made perfectly even using the cutter. When you get to the end, some of the pieces do stray from uniformity a bit, but since it's all going in a big salad bowl, no worries. After making quick work of the cuke, the TM6 makes the dressing, walking you through the measurements, then blending it. With all the ingredients in, it gets a quick blend, and before you know it, the dressing is ready to go. Pour that dressing over the veg, and your fresh cucumber salad is ready. The cutter is really easy to use, and it can slice almost any fruit or vegetables. Plus, grating cheeses, cabbage, carrots, and potatoes is also really fast when you have a robot to help you. Don't forget to check out the full review of the Thermomix TM6 or see how you can even bake cakes in your Thermomix cooking robot right now.